Happy Tuesday. We're starting with rhyme production again. Remember, I say the words, you repeat the words. Give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't rhyme. Shop, hop. Shop, hop, rhyme. To, zoo. To, zoo, rhyme. Hive, dive. Hive and dive rhyme. Name, came. Name and came rhyme. All thumbs up today. That's awesome. Okay, we're doing onset fluency. I'll say 2 words. You repeat the words. If the 2 words begin with the same sound, give me a thumbs up. If they begin with different sounds, give me a thumbs down. Mud, mess. Mud and mess both start with good. Seat, vase. No, they don't begin the same. Bell, best. Yeah, they both start with B. Fox, isn't. No, they don't begin the same. Goose, gum. Yep, they both start with G. Very good. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes. I'm going to say the word and blend it, and then you repeat the word and blend it. Okay? Man. Your turn. Ran. Your turn. Wag. Your turn. Sat. Your turn. Pat. Your turn. Okay, very good. Now we're going to isolate the medial sound, the middle sound, okay? An. A. Et. Ek. It. P. Ought. Un. Okay, get your choppers out. I'm going to say the word and chop it. Then you repeat the word and you chop it. Okay? Bet. B-et. Fell. F-e-l. Well. W-e-l. Hen. H-e-n. Peg. P-e-g. Okay, good job. We're going to add a sound at the beginning and blend it. I will do it first, and you tell me the whole word when I go like this, okay? We have ugh, add to the beginning in it. The word is mug. We have up, add p to the beginning, and the word is pup. We have ugh, add b to the beginning, and the word is bug. We have un, add s to the beginning, and the word is sun. We have ut, add cut to the beginning, and the word is cut. Good. Now we're going to delete from the beginning. We have the word hat without h. What's left? At. We have the word man without What's left? An. We have the word bag without b. What's left? Ag. We have the word can without k. What's left? Am. We have the word map without What's left? App. Okay, we only have substituting left. Good job. Okay, we have the word pick. Change p to k, and the word is kick. We have the word kick. Change k to s, and the word is sick. We have the word sick. Change s to o, and the word is lick. We have the word lick. Change o to wa, and the word is wick. We have the word wick. Change wa to cha, and the word is chick. Good job. And our nursery rhyme today is rain, rain, go away. I'll say it, you repeat after me. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go to Spain. Never show your face again. All right, that was a little different than when I heard it, so we all learned something new today. I'll see you tomorrow.